Hello guys, welcome back. This is Helpings Crypto Academy or Helpings Integrated Services. My name is Mr. Victor and I will be your tutor on this channel. Okay, so just a quick one. I want to show you my results for the last 1 month trading with pest trading or statistical arbitrage. Okay, so for the last 1 month, okay, as you can see, $151 profit on a $1,000 deposit, as you can see. Okay, so the reason why I want to start, okay, including my voice on this uh type of uh video is to show you, to explain to you what you are seeing. Okay, so a lot of person, especially if you have been trading, you'll be wondering why why we call it a zero loss, even though they are seeing red like negative here. Okay, so I'll be explaining to you more on how this works. Okay, so in pairs trading, we are not particularly trading one currency pairs, so we are at every position we are trading two pairs at a time. Okay, so we are buying one and we are selling the other one. Okay, so we are being neutral. The essence of trading these two pairs is to be neutral in the marketplace, so that irrespective of what the price wants to do, okay, we will still be on profit. Okay, so that is the strategy. That is how the strategy works. So I'll be explaining to you more details on how this works. So if you are a beginner trader, you are starting out trading, I'll be starting a series soon, okay, on Forex trading for beginners. So you're going to learn everything from the basic, from what is Forex trading to how to take a trade and make profit. Okay, so I'll be talking to you guys more often from now, and just to create an awareness to you guys that there is actually a hope for you if you have been struggling in this forex market and you have not been making consistent profit. Okay, so there is hope for you guys. Okay, with best trading you can make consistent profit. You can make consistent profit every day, every week, and every month. Okay, so I'll be talking to you guys. Until then, bye.